Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this elegant kurti. This one actually I got it from Hyderabad, and this is the overall design that we got here. And on the top of the kurti we got these buttons, and this is the ruffle kind of design that they have given. A simple plain round neck here. One of the main reasons I love this dress is because of the hands. They have given this ruffle kind of design here as well, and this is how it looks. And also it's like a two-layered one because we got the palazzo for this, so that's why they have given two-layered. One is the top of the dress color, and then the other one is the palazzo color. Overall the dress is very simple. You just got the side openings, and this is how the overall dress looks. And if you notice closely, these are the buttons that they have given on the top of the dress, and the design is also very elegant. They have attached a small sparkling things all over that design, very beautifully designed. This is how the design looks, and if you notice closely, this is how the hand design looks actually. And these are the frills that we got for both the hands, and like I mentioned earlier, this one is like 3/4 sleeve, and this is the palazzo that we got. So that is why it's like they have attached this to the hands as well. So if you notice closely, same cloth they have attached here. And I'm thinking now, even for the blouse we can do it like this, the sari color and everything, we can mix and match and everything. So this is the close look of both palazzo and the design that we got for this dress. For this dress I did not get any dupatta, so this is the dupatta I actually bought from the same store, and this is the one I mix and matched. And I remember this actually, this one is around 1600 rupees, and I've added these tassels later. My mom's friend added these tassels, and this is how the overall dupatta looks here. And the main reason I loved, even though I have spent 1600 for this, I can always reuse this dupatta. So this one is like, overall you got the navy blue design here, and the border, and for both on the sides and the border you got that heavy gold work and everything. And if you notice closely, I really like the way that they have designed this flower design. In fact, this matches actually to the dress design that we have, because even our dress is also like a floral pattern. And these are the tassels that I have got. The main reason that they have added is because of the jerry work that we got all over the dupatta. So that's one of the reasons she took the gold for the tassels. So this is how it looks. And also if you notice closely, this dupatta perfectly matches to the buttons that we got. In fact, even though I have spent around 1600 rupees for this dupatta, in future I can always get a raw silk half white dress, and I can also mix and match with that, because we got half white tassels and everything. So it's always better to mix and match to more than one kurti. And this is the second dupatta that I have got. I didn't remember the price for this dupatta, maybe around 300 rupees, but not more than that. I love the way that they have given the golden checks, and it perfectly matches to our palazzo. The reason is it's a contrast color. Usually I don't like to wear the same color dupatta for the same color dress, but since we got this contrast color with the navy blue and everything, so navy blue and gray always matches perfectly, and we got this palazzo. So that's one of the reason I've selected this. Friends, let me know in comments how you like the second dupatta. Now moving on to the third one, this is the scarf. I'm just like trying to give ideas with the things that I have here. I always wear it for western wear, but nowadays it's trend. If you're living in cold weather, you can always match it up or pair it up with this scarf kind of thing, and it matched perfectly. You don't have to be 100%, but we got this frills as black color, so mix and matching with palazzo with this dress, and also with the scarf would be a perfect combination, I think. Let me know in comments what you think. And moving on to the fourth scarf, this is the one. This one is like a half white with navy blue. That's our overall kurti color as well, and I thought it matched perfectly. Not only with dupattas, palazzos and with the kurtis can also easily match with a scarf, and different colors of scarf. So each time we can get a different look. So this is the look. I thought like it matches very well. And also if you notice, the flower design here to the dress color is also the same. Now let's move on to the pendant or the neck piece that I've designed here. This is the neck piece. I got these beads for the headband, and the headband is broken, so I don't want to waste these beads. So I have mixed and matched with the beads that I got, and I also added the navy blue because we got the navy blue flavor and all here. And the reason why I thought like this one would be a perfect match for this dress. The flower design here is a navy blue with gold color or shiny color. So here we have this navy blue with shiny color design. So that's one of the reason I thought this one would be a perfect match to this. And also if you notice, we are using this navy blue color dupatta, and this one would be a perfectly matching to this. And this is the design that I have designed here. If you notice here, I've also designed the same kind of bracelet. Doing a bracelet is very easy. All I took is just a leather cord, and I didn't even use any tools for this. I just tied the knots for this. That's all. It's very simple. The only thing I have done here is I just added the same color bead as a drop. For bracelets, if you have a drop, it'll always look good. So that's one of the reason. Let me wear it and show you guys. So this is how it looks. All you need to do is drag the leather cord on both sides, and it looks perfectly well. And if you see on the back side of my hand, this is how I have done. You can also add tassels to that bracelet. And moving on to the earrings, these are the first earrings that I've selected. And as you see, our pendant is also the same color, so that's one of the reason I've selected. And these are the second earrings. It matched so well because we have designed our necklace with 3 different shapes, rectangle, oval, and circle shapes, and same designs are there for our earrings as well. And also the color combination is perfectly matching to not only to the necklace but also to the dress. And the third earrings that I've selected, these are very trendy, and the way they have designed, I think these are called jhumkis, and always pearl with silver or German silver is always good. I love these earrings, so this is one of my favorites. And this can also match to the bracelet that I have designed. Subscribers, please let me know in comments how you like this bracelet design, and also the earrings, did it match or not. And then the second bracelet that I have selected is just a simple gray color bracelet. You can also mix and match by wearing 2 bracelets at the same time. The third bracelet I've already shared in my previous videos. The third bracelet is matching with the earrings that I have selected today. And then this fourth one is just a silver kada, and I love this kada. It's been with me for very long time. You can always mix and match this with the linen saris and also with linen dupattas, and of course with western wear as well. And if you notice here, it matched perfectly with the earrings that I have selected, and this is the overall look with the earrings and also the kada. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Shilpa's Home 360. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.